How to replace the front wheel of this electric wheelchair. First, tip the wheelchair backwards until it leans over. Use 2 19mm open-end wrenches to remove the front wheel fixing nuts until the wheel comes loose. Make sure to keep the washers and spacers safe. When installing the new front wheel, first install a washer onto the bolt. Insert it through one side of the fork, then install a spacer. Pass the bolt through the new front wheel. Then install another spacer. Once the bolt passes completely through the fork, install a washer and tighten the nut to secure it. Use the wrench to tighten the nut to the proper tightness. Check if everything is working properly. Then the replacement is complete.